Hi, I'm Dans. I'm going to share a tutorial on how to easily tie a tie for beginners, even though I'm a beginner like you. Step 1. Wrap the tie around your neck so that the narrow end is around the middle of your chest. Make sure the tie is facing up and the wide end is in your right hand. Cross the tie near your shirt collar, making sure the wide side is over the narrow side. Pull the wide end of the tie through the hole created by the cross, then pull the long side down to tighten the knot. Pull the wide end of the tie under the entire knot, including the narrow side. The bottom of the wide end should now be facing out. Pull the wide end up, then down through the neck loop. Then pull it down and to your right side. The knot at your neck should now have two symmetrical shapes at the front. Pull the wide end of the tie across your body, with the front of the tie facing out. The wide end should now be on your left. Pull the wide end of the tie through the bottom of the neck loop, so that the wide end is now facing up, with the back facing out, directly in front of your face. Take the wide end of the tie and pull it through the gap between the knot and the part of the tie that covers the knot. Then, pull the loose end of the tie out. If the tie is too long, start over, but with the longer end hanging over the narrower side. Thank you for watching this channel. I hope you can easily understand what I have shared about how to tie a tie easily.